Right guys, welcome to the Wood Junker, and I've got another little sort of tool review to do for you. Well, it's not a tool really, it's something a little bit different that'll probably come in really useful for all you guys, especially coming on the dark nights, all that kind of stuff. Now, I've been sent in this free of charge to check it out, and obviously it's daylight at the minute, so I'm just going to run you through the tool, but when it gets dark later, I will be showing you some of the functions and features in the dark, but you won't have to wait that long because I'm doing it all in this video. So the thing in question is this. It's a SOFIRN head torch. So it comes nicely packaged, as you can see, and on the box it says 2500 maximum output lumens, 260 maximum output meters. It's USB type C charging, and it's IP66 rated waterproof. Now, what IP66 means and USB charging means, I'm a fossil, I haven't got a clue. But all you techies out there, all I think is I can use it in the rain basically, and I can charge it. So anyway, let's get it out of the box and let's have a look at it. So it's a tight fit in the box. Oh, that's tight. Silly Billy, it goes like that, it doesn't push out. So anyway, you've got, as soon as you open the box, you've got that there, which says notice, make sure you remove the battery insulating paper disc before use. So that's just to preserve the battery. Comes with a full user manual. Looks quite comprehensive. I'm not going to run through that. You've got the headband section, which I'll fit to my big head shortly. You've got a USB, well, I take it that's the USB-C charger thing, but it's in the box. And you've got the unit itself and these two spare rubber rings. I don't know what they're for, but anyway, that's the sort of head torch you can see. So it's first things first to say about it, all aluminium, looks nicely well constructed. The headband obviously elasticated with the SOFIRN logo in it, and you've got adjustable clips and clips and all that kind of thing, and that will just sort of clip onto there. A nice clip, nice strong fitted clip. So yeah, it looks a nice substantial piece. Now, I have actually, before doing this review, looked at some videos of these, and the reviews are quite positive, to be perfectly honest with you. So that, I take it, comes off there, or is it a screen protector? I don't know, but I'm going to put it in the box just in case. I'm like you guys, I haven't got a clue. And I mean, I've got my bobby hat on, and it fits nicely over my bobby hat. So if you want to wear an hat and you know, put it over your hat, which I would recommend really, because it stops the straps sort of digging into your head, that kind of thing. Do I look groovy, guys? Do I look groovy? Anyway, so the best thing to do with this, look at some of the features. The best thing to do with this is, I'll show you it working later, but it says undo, take the paper cap off. So that's where you get into the battery. So you get into the battery there by taking that off, and you take that little tab of paper off. I'll put that back in the box, and then in here you've got a 4000 milliamp battery. So you tech guys will know what that means. I think that's quite good. Rechargeable. Looks decent quality. I'm not an expert on batteries. And then simply, what I will say is, it looks very, very well made. Do you know, sometimes you're into them gadgets, aren't you? I love my gadgets, and I'm into woodworking. but I love my gadgets, and I could quite happily talk about gadgets all day. I absolutely love them. So that's that. Let's see if I can get it on. I think 1, 2. I don't know if I'm doing something right or I'm doing something wrong here. I don't know. Open, close. That's closed. Turn that. Hot, reusable. 1, 2, 3. It might need the battery charging. I'm going to go and charge this battery, and then let's see if I can get it going, because I have had it in a while, to be perfectly honest with you. So let's go and get that charge on it, and let's see what happens. Right guys, I just had a quick flick through the instructions before I went and charged it. I thought it a bit weird not coming on. I thought I'd have a bit of charge in it, and it did. My mistake. When I took the tab out, you've got to make sure that that's tight down. So my mistake. So anyway, I'm going to be reading off the instructions to try and figure out some of the features. But anyway, so you've got 2 buttons on the top here which relate to 2 separate different settings. So button 1, which is M, 1 click is on and off, 2 clicks, oh that's bright, isn't it, is to get a long press from on. Right, so a long press from on is your spotlight. There's all different features. So how do you turn it off? 2 clicks, 1 long press, and that's it off. So 2 clicks and it's off. The best thing to do with this is look through the instructions. And do you know what? I can't read the instructions properly. I'm going to be totally honest with you. I can't take it in, but it's working. So let's see what this other thing does. Hang on. Brightness switch, 1 click on off. Right. 2 clicks unlocked. Press off. There's loads of different features on it, but obviously I'm more interested in the sort of floodlight. You know, like sometimes at night I have to go out and like get logs in for the fire and it's dark outside, or I've got to go into the back of my van and it's dark outside. I haven't got the benefit of a floodlight on the front of my house because I've got neighbours over the way and I don't want to sort of do their heads in with a light coming through. You know, I know they're quite a way away, but still it can be right annoying when there's lights going on in other people's houses, that kind of thing. But the best thing to do with this is I'm going to wait till night time now, and I'm going to show you this lit up when I'm getting some logs in and things like that. But overall, the quality is superb. I like the quality, the functionality. That's bright. Turn it off. It's got some brightness to it. I don't know if that's picking it up on the camera, but that is really bright. But this is the SOFIRN HS22. So yeah, let's wait till the darkness. It'll be a couple of hours for me. It'll be 2 seconds for you. Look at me with my head torch on. It looks really good, I can see. So this is sort of the situation, what you can use it for, picking the wood up, that kind of thing. I've got a load of wood in today, but I can get the wood in, not a problem. I can see under here at night time now when it's nice and dark. Just let's cover that up because of the rain. But that's a good idea. Also, another good idea is walking the dog if you got to walk the dog, or riding a bike, that kind of thing. Right, I've got to go into the back of my van, something I rarely do because Shelley has absolutely filled this van full of her junk. Oh my God, she's filled it up. But you know what? In the back of a van or something like that, just look at that, like, you can see where you're going. She's absolutely filled it up, but there you go. So, a really good thing are these head torches. It's one of them sort of gadgets that are coming really useful. So have a look in the link down below. Might be really handy for you guys. Right guys, sorry about looking stupid out there, but to be perfectly honest, I really enjoyed using that. Made a massive difference when I was going into the van and getting the logs. So if you're doing it for something like that, there's all tasks. If you're going down the bottom of your garden at night, you hear noises, you want to go and have a look, you want to go walking your dog, you want to go riding a bike and it's a bit dark through the woods, whatever you want to do, these are really handy. And you will see me actually using this, so definitely have a look at these, the SOFIRN head torch. I thought I was going to not like it, but actually I really do like it.